Do you have a product you're itching to introduce to the marketplace, but you need your product image professionally edited to showcase its unique look and brilliant features? Well, you are in the right place. With over 10 years of field experience and hundreds of successful projects, our experts at Clipping Path Asia will provide high-quality image cleanup that captures the essence of your product and attract customers. Whether it's an image for e-commerce, media agencies, magazine catalogs, publishers, fashion and beauty, photo studios, or online trading, we've got you covered. And the best part is that our prices are very affordable with free trials included. So, what are you waiting for? 20% off for first paid order. Head to our website now at www.clippingpathasia.com to get your free trial or an instant quote for your images. Better still, contact us on WhatsApp at +1 347 274 8816 for more information. Clipping Path Asia, rendering images that sell.